In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a schedule in Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets and head to your Google Sheets home dashboard. This is the main page where you can create new spreadsheets, open recent files, and browse the available templates. If you're signed into your Google account already, this page should load right away. If not, just sign in first so you can access the dashboard and save your work automatically. Once you're on the home screen, take a look at the templates gallery near the top of the page. Google Sheets includes a variety of ready-made templates that help you build common documents faster. And for this tutorial, the one you want is the schedule template. Click on Schedule to open it. Using a template is a great option because it gives you a clean structure right away, so you don't have to build your schedule from scratch or worry about formatting every section manually. After the template opens, you'll be taken into a new spreadsheet based on that layout. At this point, you can begin customizing it to fit your needs. One of the first things you should do is rename the spreadsheet so it's easy to find later in your Google Drive. You can click the file name at the top and replace it with something more specific, like a weekly work schedule, study plan, or personal routine. Giving it a clear name helps keep your files organized, especially if you create multiple schedules over time. Next, you can edit the header title and the other elements in the template. This is where you make the schedule your own. Update the title so it reflects the purpose of the sheet, then adjust any labels, dates, categories, or sections that come with the template. If the template includes example text, you can simply click into those cells and replace it with your own information. Take a moment to review the layout before typing everything in so you understand how the schedule is organized and where each detail should go. As you make edits, remember that Google Sheets saves automatically, which means your changes are stored as you go. That makes it easy to experiment with the template and update it whenever your plans change. Once you've renamed the file and customized the header and content, your schedule is ready to use. And that's how to make a schedule in Google Sheets using the built-in schedule template.